Okay, so you bought one of these cheap little wheelbarrows at one of the big box stores, and the first time you go to use it, you find out that the handles are so flimsy they feel like they're made out of rubber, and it's almost for sure that they're going to break. So what are you going to do? Well, you can buy a better wheelbarrow, or you can do what I did. And before I go any further, I'd like to state that no wheelbarrows were harmed during the making of this video. Now here's what I did. I decided to reinforce the wooden handles with a couple of lengths of angle iron, and to do that I had to remove the carriage bolts, drill some holes in the angle iron lining them up with the holes in the wooden handles, and I also had to drill 2 additional holes through the handles and the angle iron and add a couple of extra carriage bolts. Now I didn't have to reinforce these wedges. It turns out that this thing is actually pretty strong now. I'm still considering doing it. You can do it if you want to, but it's not absolutely necessary. Well, that's it. That's how I reinforced my cheap little big box store wheelbarrow. Now, if you found this video entertaining, informative, or helpful in some way, please don't forget to like it, and if you want, you can also leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.